So many people have asked me if I'm in a cult. I'm not in a cult. Many people have asked me if Tyler is a cult leader. There is not a cult leader. We do not believe in cults. Say it with me. I am not in a cult. Say it again. I am not in a cult.
Your father's right palm with your right palm again. Clap, slap, clap your hands, slap your thigh, and sing a little song. Oh, my mama told me if I was good, that she would buy me a rubber doll. My auntie told her I kissed her shoulder. Now she won't buy me a rubber doll. Take your hands back and clap. Take your right arm, cross your left arm, pat your father's right palm with your right palm. Clap. Now back and clap. Take the pats with your palms and slap your thighs and watch the fun materialize as you sing this little song. My mama told me if I was good, that she would buy
Oh, this is a cult. Yeah, that's a cult. Yep.